Welcome to Daily Art Day number 2890. Short day again today on Snape the drawing. I'm getting the skull figured out over there, the dark mark, and the whole value concept that I want to do for the background. So it's going to take some time. And I'm going to make some changes. So it was kind of a hard decision right now, but I think it's for the best at the moment. I'm going to stop doing these videos for a few weeks, and because I have some projects going on, well, one big project in particular that needs most of my time. So I'll probably pick them back up in the future, hopefully, but basically right now I'm going to spend probably about an hour or some minimal time on actual drawing and stuff, but I'm going to keep working every day and then transition my time into the other projects until those are done. And my website, my posts will probably be pretty short the next couple weeks also to give more time for that. So stay tuned for new things coming up, differences and changes and all that kind of stuff. But for right now, I'm going to keep creating every single day regardless of how much information I put on my website or on YouTube. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the future. Until then, keep creating.